Jeez, the steps.
Yeah.
They're no longer steps, they're a slide. Hopefully it doesn't freeze anything. How's the little turtle? That looks like a giant, actually a miniature igloo, I should say. Oh man. Hey, they're hard tire tracks, what do you know? Is it that hard to get out?
I'm making more tracks.
Oh.
And yes, it is quite hard to get out.
And holy cow, ever since I first looked out, the tree looks even worse. That's good better.
Yeah, most cars would never even drive in this.
You think? Like, listen out to those snowballs and the rate that's coming down.
I mean, how deep it is.
Yeah, I know.
You can't get through it.
You have to be crazy to be...
Why is my 4x4 not on?
I don't know.
Are you telling me it's not working?
What?
It's the dash indicator isn't on.
That's odd.
We're in trouble if the 4x4 isn't on. Right? Yeah? I don't know if it's working.
People have no... Oh, it is going?
I mean, I'm a little concerned because of the rear end leak, and it could be probably
Jeez, we usually would have been up at Casey's almost a whole 2 minutes ago, which is when we started going out.
Surely Mindy didn't go
I should hope not.
Yeah, most businesses just closed. I mean,
yeah, I was telling Grandma on the phone before I even came up. I highly doubt that even Steph's boss would ever even dare let anyone come out and bid. This is a total safety hazard.
Yeah. Really? I do this.
That's going to be insane.
Looks like there's one to show. Yeah.
Exercise, exercise, exercise. Jeez.
Yeah, their idea of putting chemicals on the road first was kind of ridiculous. There's someone stuck right there.
There's two people stuck.
I don't think they're stuck. What's that noise?
I don't know. I've heard it before, but it's not good.
We got...
Oh my lord. I think it's time we turn... Oh shoot.
Oh, they're pulling them.
Oh,
I
thank
thought they were
God.
going to back into them.
Oh, thank God.
I wonder if Casey's is even open.
I was questioning that.
Boy, and he's even got a lot of weight in the rear end. Look how low that back end's sitting down.
My lord. That's another...
Oh, they're pulling multiple people out.
Oh.
Is this Chevy going to move, or is he? I think he's just going to sit there. Oh, yeah.
He's going to try and move.
Snowplow sitting behind us.
Really?
Two of them.
Yeah, at the rate we're going to be stuck in the snow.
Why would somebody try to go out in a two-wheel drive light pickup?
I don't know.
Durr.
Look at him go.
Ever see what four-wheel drive does? That's a good Chevy truck for you.
The white one?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Why did he keep driving? Oh, they just dropped the tow rope, okay.
Mm-hmm. Hey, you can see flashing lights up there. It may be closed, potentially. I don't know. It wouldn't surprise me at this point.
Well, this guy knows what he's doing, and he left his tow rope hanging out for a while. I think he's just out helping people.
Me too.
Snowplows, don't you try riding up on me?
What's this guy doing with his shovel?
It's his ice scraper.
Oh, it is? What's he doing with it?
Cleaning his
Oh, you're
windshield while he's
right.
driving.
I can tell now by his movements.
You guys up here stuck too? Come on, isn't that bad for trucks?
Wow.
I'm starting to think Casey's isn't even going to be open.
I highly doubt it. I highly doubt anything.
Dude, seriously, pull it over and clean your windshield. That's just dents. Come on. I have to get the defroster.
They're making a path up there to Casey's.
Yeah.
It's really gonna stink if they are closed.
Yeah, because I want donuts really bad. Quick Trip never closes.
Really?
It depends if the road is still plowed. I won't go down my highway if it is plowed. They look open.
Oh my gosh. Thank you,
We got
Lord.
cops up here.
Oh.
I needed to, buddy.
Oh.
See how deep it was right there?
Yeah. But still. My